I'll show you 4 easy ways to make delicious Japanese dishes. If you'd like more details, check the link in the description box. This is Napa Cabbage Miso Soup. Enjoy the gentle sweetness of Napa cabbage in this warm, umami-packed miso soup. It's simple, healthy, and ready in minutes, perfect for any meal. Let's start with the ingredients. Cut the Napa cabbage into bite-sized pieces. Next, measure 30 grams of miso and set it aside. Then, combine water and dashi powder to make dashi broth. Add the Napa cabbage to the dashi broth and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat and simmer for 3 minutes until the cabbage is tender. After 3 minutes, turn off the heat and dissolve the miso. Your homemade Napa cabbage miso soup is ready. Enjoy your homemade Napa cabbage miso soup. This is goma ae, or Japanese sesame broccoli. Broccoli tossed in a creamy sesame dressing, perfectly balanced in flavor and sweetness, and rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, a popular Japanese side dish. Let's start with the ingredients. Cut the broccoli into bite-sized pieces. Fill a large pot with plenty of water, add a little salt, and bring it to a boil. Boil the broccoli for 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, drain the water and remove excess moisture with a paper towel. Next, prepare the sesame dressing. Combine ground sesame, soy sauce, and sugar, then mix well. Add the broccoli and mix everything together, and it's ready to serve. Enjoy your homemade Japanese sesame broccoli. This is Japanese garlic teriyaki chicken. Juicy chicken marinated in a rich, sweet garlic teriyaki sauce. The garlic enhances the umami, while the teriyaki sauce perfectly balances sweetness and saltiness. Let's start with the ingredients. Cut the chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces, then place them into a Ziploc bag. Next, make the garlic teriyaki sauce by combining soy sauce, mirin, cooking sake, sugar, and grated garlic. Seal the Ziploc bag and massage the marinade into the chicken, then let it sit for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, coat the chicken with flour. Heat vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat and cook the chicken until fully cooked and browned on both sides. Make sure to cook it thoroughly with the lid on. Once both sides are nicely browned, it's ready. Enjoy your homemade Japanese garlic teriyaki chicken. This is Ebi Mayo, or juicy shrimp in a rich Japanese mayo glaze. Juicy shrimp covered in rich, creamy mayo is so good, you can't stop eating it. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need about 12 shrimp. If you're using frozen shrimp, it's super easy. Pat the shrimp dry, add some salt and pepper, and coat them with a little potato starch. Now, let's make the yummy mayo sauce. Just mix mayonnaise, ketchup, sugar, milk, lemon juice, and some grated garlic. It's so simple, but full of flavor. Cook the shrimp until they're golden and crispy on the outside, but still juicy inside. When the shrimp have cooled a bit, mix them with the mayo sauce, making sure each one is coated. That's it. Enjoy your delicious juicy shrimp in a rich Japanese mayo glaze. You're going to love it. If you liked any of the recipes, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Japanese recipes.